presents. Emma, what's over there?
What is that? What is that?
A
It's a
slide. You gonna climb it?
You gonna slide? Don't go ahead first, silly.
Sit down on it. You know how to get on a slide. Want Daddy to help you?
You do it?
Okay, you do it. Big slide. That's for Emma. Yeah. Okay, can you slide down it? Yeah, Pepper's got her toy.
Yeah. Emma, can you slide down?
Okay.
You slide down. Yep, you do it. Sit on your bottom. Yep. Sit on your bottom. Alright, ready?
Ready, set, go!
Go.
Whee! Yay!
That was fun. Can you say that was fun? That was fun.
Can you say thank you, Alex? That's right. You like